What are some ways that we can focus on that practically reduce this waste that aren't, some people, they come with these ideas that are going to revolutionize the industry. And then, dude, I don't want to revolutionize the industry, but I do want to incrementally improve. So do me a favor. What are some of those practical ways that we can reduce that waste?
Yeah. So I'll share specifically to our general construction community and even specific to, let's say, cast in place contractors, that looking at new ways to approach the quality control and quality assurance process. On one of my first projects when I was managing electrical work, the superintendent for the general contractor, he asked me, what's the first thing that we do about risk? And I said, well, we plan for it, we mitigate it, right? I'm a young buck out of school. And he goes, no, the first thing that we do is we attempt to engineer it out of the equation. And then we look at how to mitigate it. So what we started doing was looking at this cause and effect relationship. And an example is one of our large aviation projects. The general contractor was laser scanning all the decks the day or two prior to the concrete placement going in. And they were looking at that data over the next week and then coming back to the team and saying, hey guys, comparing this laser scan data against the model, this was built incorrectly. This was built out of tolerance, but you've got concrete poured at that point. You're still chipping, you're still pouring, you're still, so I said, why are we not looking at this data in real time or in a short amount of time, getting it back to the field team before they pour concrete? So we developed an approach working with one of the prominent cast in place contractors here in the Bay Area. And we said, okay, we're going to come in and laser scan every one of your decks the day before you pour. And we're going to analyze, since you're the cast in place contractor, we're going to take this data and we're going to focus on your formwork, your blockouts, your edge form, your soffit, and all the embeds that are going into this deck. And instead of laser scanning it and giving you this data in a week, we're going to turn this around within 24 hours. And we're going to produce a very simple report of everything that is out of tolerance that can be corrected before that concrete goes in.